Alright, so continuing the 350Z cage, we got to start prepping some of the areas, like cutting out factory sheet metal. This little speaker box, or like storage bin. From this little storage box, we have to cut out a corner right here, and then we are going to put the factory dash bar back in because all of the AC and everything mounts to it, and I would like to be able to retain AC and heat as well as full interior. We're going to use the factory dash bar and just have to trim some of the brackets and stuff to be able to make the down bars right here fit, and then we have to prep all the surfaces for all of our plates. Alright, so I'm in here working, trying to get the factory dash bar trim. Basically, the bar that comes in right here has to go like, it has to like sit super deep into this, so I have to cut into the factory dash bar in order to get them to fit. I'm sitting here trying to cut it in the car, and I think I'm honestly just gonna pull it back out the car, do it out the car, and then put it back in the car after I do it. One step backwards, two steps forward.
So update on the 350. We got the cage completely done. The cage is completely done. We had the handbrake re-powder coated. It was red before. Now it's the same satin that we'll have a couple other parts in. I have new dash pieces on the way because this one's janky. This one was cut out from, I guess, some kind of radio that the previous owner had. And then I have my passenger seat pulled out right now because it's on my simulator. The cage is all in, the headliner's in, looking fantastic. I gotta do some touch-ups paint-wise because it's been a while. These door cards came out amazing as well. We laid down some lace and then sprayed over it, and then it turned out absolutely insane. The back of the seat is also done as well. It's kind of tricky to see, but the back of the seat's done as well. And then we have every piece of like interior trim that I could put back in the car in, as well as before we put it in, we did a bunch of sound deadening. If you've ever had a roll cage, you know when you like hit bumps and stuff, you kind of hear it through the roll cage. It's kind of got that tinginess. You'll hear stuff when you like bottom out and stuff like that. I think the sound deadening helped a lot. There's one more interior piece that I want to try and trim to get in that covers this up. But if I get that piece in, I'll basically have full interior in the car. We do still have the bumper off right now. The bumper got sold. So we have a new bumper. I'll show you that in the next video. And then obviously the car is up on jack stands right now. And that's because we got another project going on in the car, but that's also going to be in the next video. That's going to be it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. That was caging my 350Z with the Cage Kits cage.